Hello. It's a much colder day across the UK today with a front of rain moving south. This is a cold front and behind it there will be some much colder air coming in across the UK. The most notable thing about the weather today though will be the strength of the wind. We are seeing gale or even severe gale force winds across the northern half of the UK. Gusts of wind up to 80 miles an hour, and that could be enough to cause some disruption. As I mentioned, that rain will move south through today, eventually moving into southern parts of England and Wales towards this evening, although it will be really rather patchy in nature by then. But this morning some heavy bursts of rain to come, particularly across northern parts of England and some parts of Northern Ireland too. Behind it, colder air and some scattered snow showers moving in across northern and western counties of Scotland, and highs today ranging from around 3 degrees Celsius in the north to perhaps 8 or 9 degrees Celsius in the south before the cold front moves through. Tonight turning much colder for everywhere, some early patchy rain to clear from the far south and then the cloud clearing away slowly through the night too. And then it's mostly dry for central and eastern areas, but across northern and western areas we see scattered showers turning increasingly wintry through the night. Some of those pushing a little bit further inland towards the Midlands too, as they push through the Cheshire Gap and perhaps into parts of northwest England as well. A few wintry showers across Northern Ireland, but the main concern for tonight is across the north of Scotland, where we could see as much as 5 centimetres to lower levels or perhaps 10 centimetres to higher ground, with some strong winds still combining to give the risk of some blizzard conditions at times over the higher ground in particular. Lows tonight ranging from around -5 in parts of Scotland to around 3 or 4 degrees Celsius in the south of England, and we could well see a rather widespread frost, particularly from the Midlands northwards. And then looking ahead to Friday, we see a continuation of the scattered snow showers in the north of Scotland. Elsewhere, we have a few showers around across western areas of the UK. Later in the day, we can start to see some patchy rain, sleet and snow moving in across Northern Ireland, and that will edge eastwards into western parts of England later in the afternoon, and eventually moving across towards eastern parts of England and up into Scotland towards the evening. A cold day to come again tomorrow, and feeling cold once again in the wind, with highs of around 0 to 8 degrees Celsius.